Now first question, the difference between the successor and the predecessor of a number. So for any number, what would be the difference between successor and predecessor? So that's what they are asking here. So for any number, for example, you just choose 5 or 4. Okay, what is the successor of 4? It's going to be 5 and predecessor of 4 is 3. So the difference between these two numbers is going to be 2. This is not only for 4, for any number, always the difference between successor and predecessor is going to be 2 only. Okay, I'll explain with some other number. For example, you choose 20. Successor of 20 is 21. Predecessor of 20 is 19. When you are identifying the difference between 21 and 19, it is going to be 2 there. Understand? So this is possible for all the numbers. Okay, I hope you understand this first question. Now question number 2. Which of the following statement is true? So I hope this question is based on the given statements here. 1 is the smallest natural number. Yes, I guess this is true. What some students used to do, no, when they are getting the answer in the first step itself, that is in option A itself, if you are getting some answer, you will not look at the options B, C, D. But I strongly suggest you to read all the options and finalize your solution. Okay, so 50 is the predecessor of 49. So this is false. 1 is the smallest whole number. This is absolutely false because 0 is the smallest whole number. 599 is successor of 600. This is also false. So now you can finalize your answer, which is option A. 1 is the smallest natural number. Okay, so whenever they are asking these kind of questions like which of the following statement is true or false, make sure you must read all the options and then decide your final solution. Okay, now question number 3. How many natural numbers are there between 1 to 10? So here also some students used to commit mistakes while counting 9 or 8. Here they are clearly mentioned between 1 and 10. So between 1 and 10, you are going to consider 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you should not consider 1 and you should not consider 10 also. So in between only. Okay, so how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore 8 is your answer. Okay, so in case if they are mentioning some words like from, okay, how many natural numbers are there from 1 to 10? From 1 to 10. If they are asking question like this, then in this case you need to include this 1 as well as 10 also. Then in such situation your answer is going to be 10 numbers. But here they are mentioning only between. So between means you need to exclude the given numbers. Okay, exclude means what? Don't include them. You should not consider 1, you should not consider 10. Okay, in between numbers only you need to count. I hope I made my point clear. Yes, so next question number 4. Which of the following will not represent 0? So we'll check the options. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 2 minus 2, 0 by 2 is 0. So except the first one, you are getting 0 for all the answers. In question they asked will not represent 0. Therefore your answer is option A, 1. Yes, it's very simple question. Again, here also you need to observe all 4 options. Okay. Now question number 5. 3 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 3. This statement is known as what property? Okay, I hope you have some basic knowledge about properties on whole numbers. So we have few properties like closure, commutative, associative, distributive, identity and all. So here this statement, okay, that is 2 numbers are added and 2 numbers are added and reversed. Okay, this is in the general form of something like A plus B is equal to B plus A. You are choosing 2 whole numbers and adding. In same way you are reversing and adding. You are interchanging the positions. Like if you are writing 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2. Okay, or if you are writing 7 plus 5 or 5 plus 7. So in either cases the answer is going to be same, and this property is known as commutative property of addition. Okay, so here also to confuse you, they gave two options with the same name, but one is in terms of addition and another one is in terms of multiplication. So choose carefully. This commutative property is not only satisfied for addition, which is also satisfied multiplication as well. For your further information, for example, what is 4 5s are? 4 5s are 20. What is 5 4s are? 5 4s are also 20. That is, I am applying a particular operation between two numbers and interchanging the position of the numbers, still I am getting the equal answer. Okay, this is possible only for addition and multiplication. Okay, so this property is known as commutative property. In general they are saying commutativity. Okay, but for this question they have used addition symbol here. So our option, that is option B, is correct answer for this question. Can you understand, children? Yes, just by reading a question you can directly pick your answer. No need of any calculations. Okay, I am just trying you to understand better. That's the reason I gave so many examples here. Okay, now it's time for sixth question. It's like a word problem. I purchased 10 liters of milk in the morning and 5 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk cost rupees 30 per liter, how much will I have to pay to the milkman? Let us check the options there. So morning I bought 10 liters of milk, and then evening I bought how many liters? 5 liters. So totally how much I purchased there? 15 liter per day. Okay, so every day I am buying 15 liter of milk. Now question is, 1 liter is rupees 30. Then what about 15 liter? What we need to do? Which operation we need to apply? We need to multiply. Is that clear? 1 liter is rupees 30 means how much we are purchasing in total? 15 liter. So 15 into 30. So 15 into 30 is what? Rupees 450. Okay, that is 15 3s are 45. 1 0 you can retain same. So your answer is rupees 450, option A. So whenever this kind of statements or word problems are given to you, read the questions more than one time. That is minimum twice or thrice you read the question. Try to understand two things. One is what is given and another one is what are they asking. If you have clarity with these two, then you can easily solve these questions. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Now question number 7. Which of the following numbers cannot be arranged as a rectangle? So this is a major concept in our classics whole numbers. How can we arrange something in terms of triangle or rectangle or square, they will be asking. Okay, in this question they are asking cannot be arranged as a rectangle. For example, you just imagine 4 stars. Okay, see 4 stars I can arrange like this, right? It can be considered as a square, or you can just consider this as some rectangle, right? This is in the form of rectangle. In the same way, when 6 are given, so I can arrange like this, like 3 into 2. Yeah, like 3 into 2. You just imagine, you can imagine a rectangle over here. In the same way, you can imagine a rectangle over here. So for 4 it is possible, for 6 it is possible. Now try the same with 8. 8 also I can do, no? Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See 8 stars, I can consider one rectangle there. Can you understand what I am doing? Whatever the numbers they are giving, I am using as many stars in order to form a rectangle. It can be either horizontal or vertical, it's your choice. It's absolutely your choice. But the counting should be correct. 4 I have used 4. 6 I have used 6. 8 I have used 8. What about for 7? So first 3 cases I can frame. The question is cannot be. So with 7, just to try 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need only one more. So where I can put, even if I put one more star here, then I need some more combination. See, for example, my diagram will be like this. This is not a rectangle, right? So for 7 I cannot arrange a rectangle. Yeah, so question number 7 is and option D answer is also 7. Okay, in very easiest way I can explain you is whenever some even numbers are given to you, it is always possible you can frame a rectangle. 4 is an even number, 6 is an even number, 8 is also an even number. So when even numbers are given to you, it's always possible to arrange it as a rectangle. Since 7 is odd number, you can decide them easily. Only for your understanding, I am drawing the diagrams and explaining, whereas you can just to find out which number is odd number there and you pick it as the answer. Now question number 8. The product of first 5 whole numbers. It's a very interesting question, children. Product of first 5 whole numbers. Maximum students, more than 90% of students, they used to commit mistake in this, because what they used to do, no, they used to multiply the numbers. 1 multiply with the 2, multiply with the 3, multiply with the 4 and 5. It's absolutely wrong, because the question they are asking is whole numbers. So whole numbers, it's going to start with 0. So when you are multiplying 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 5 numbers. So you need to stop only up to 4. We know that any number multiply with 0 will give you 0 only. Therefore the answer is always 0 for this question. Yes, so be careful, again saying, read the questions once and twice whenever you are attending any exam, even if you are, whether it is going to be your regular class or you are attending any Olympiad exams or competitive exams, you must focus on the question. Read the question twice and thrice and try to check what is given and what are they asking. Yes, now question number 9. The difference between the successor and predecessor of 37,45,129. So here, as I told you in our very first question, I have started there, the difference between the successor of predecessor of a number. In generalized form they asked our first question. I hope you followed that one. Here they are mentioning some number. I told you in such case, it is going to be always 2 only. The successor and predecessor difference is always going to be 2 for any number. Okay, so you can just directly pick that. You don't worry about this number. I gave you an example. It's a 20 also there. You just imagine 50, next number 51, previous number 49. When you are subtracting this, you are going to get 2. So this situation is going to be common for any number. So for such questions like this, you don't need to worry about what number is given. Whenever they are asking you successor and predecessor difference, always it is going to be 2 only. Okay. Now let us move to last question of this video. The product of the predecessor and the successor. This case, again this question is based on predecessor and successor, but they are asking product. Product means what? You need to multiply. So let's check the answers here. So 99 is the given number. So 99. What is the successor of 99? It is going to be 100. What is the predecessor of 99? It is going to be 98. Now I need to multiply these two. So 98 into 100 is 9800 or 9800. That's all your answer. Where is the option? Yeah, here, option B. Is that clear, children? You got some idea about our whole numbers concept? Very basic questions I have come with since this is a part 1 video. Okay, other chapters, other classes like class 6, class 7, class 8 is also available in the playlist. You can check those videos. Whatever you are learning here, this gives definitely extra knowledge out of your textbook. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have learned all these questions. Keep supporting to our channel by subscribing it and hit like if you like this video. And please do share this video with your friends as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. We'll continue in the next chapter.